Hi, in this video I will tell you what is algorithm, flowchart and characteristics of good program. This is the very basic information for school students. So let's understand what is algorithm. On Google you will find various definition for algorithm. But I will explain you what is algorithm with the help of example. So suppose you are hungry and you alone at home and you want to make Maggie, then what do you do? So what is the procedure you are applying for doing or making Maggie? That the procedure or the stepwise procedure is nothing but algorithm. So very first step is start. So you are get up, you are going into the kitchen and you are making Maggie. This is your first step, that is your start for making Maggie. Your step number 2 is take pan, add water, then put pan on the burner, then you switch on the gas. We all of us know that what is the stepwise procedure for making Maggie. Then when water comes to boil, then we are adding the noodles in the test maker. Then when switch off the gas, then we'll add the Maggie into the serving bowl, and with the help of fork we are enjoying our Maggie. So this is some stepwise procedure you are applying for making a Maggie. So this is the nothing but algorithm. So the in the algorithm, the very few things which is very clear in your mind, that is first is understand your problem. Means you are hungry and you are alone at home and you want to make Maggie, so this is your problem and you are applying something on your problem for solving it. That means you are applying some steps on your problem for solve your problem for solving purpose. The next step is input. What is the input you are required for you solving your problem? So your input, if we consider the previous example, that's making Maggie, so your input is nothing but what? Pan, water, gas, noodles, fork and the serving bowl, and your output is nothing but Maggie. And steps means whatever we previous see the steps or for making a Maggie. So these are them some steps now. Means you are taking pan, add the water into it, then we are putting the pan on a burner, gas burner, then we switch on the gas. So this is some stepwise procedure you are applying for solving your problem. So this is nothing but algorithm. Then flowchart is nothing but the diagrammatical representation of your algorithm. So in a flowchart we are using some specific symbol, and some specific symbol has some specific purpose. If we consider the first symbol, the symbol is used for the start and end. If we consider the second, that is arrow, which is connecting the two steps. If we consider third symbol, the symbol we are using for the input and output purpose. Fourth symbol is used for process. Process means what? You are adding the water into the pan, and when water is comes to boiling, so boiling of the water is a process, and after boiling of the water we are adding the noodles in the text maker into that boiling water. So and last symbol is for the decision. In some example you will see, if A is equal to B, then you have to be follow this condition or this rule. If A is not equal to B, then you have to be follow this. So this is some decision maker. So for that purpose we are using the last symbol. So flowchart, so I am considering the same example for which is considered in algorithm for making Maggie, and for the same example I am drawing the flowchart for it. Then the characteristics of good program. If you are doing any program in any programming language, you should first write algorithm and you should first draw flowchart. After that you are doing a program in any language. So some characteristics of good program. Very first is portability. Suppose you are doing a program and that program is running in your laptop but it is not run in your mobile. it should not be happen. It should be run on different computer system. Then maintainability. Your program is has ability for the easy maintenance, and for the easy maintenance, your program easy to read, easy to understand, and easy to fixing the error. Efficient. When your program is efficient, if your program is acquiring the less space, running speed of your program is high speed of your program, then your program should be easily converting into the machine language, because whatever you are doing the code, the human is doing the code in their own language. That means the human is doing a code in, suppose, in Java language, but that Java language is never understood by machine. So that language, it should be converted into the machine language, and for the conversion purpose we use some compiler. So it's easy to convert into the machine language. It's a very important characteristics of good program. Then reliable. We all of us using WhatsApp or any social media, and sometimes the WhatsApp will tell we are upgrading our feature, and for that purpose you have to update the new WhatsApp. They never told us you have to uninstall the previous WhatsApp and you have to install the new version, install the new WhatsApp. They never told us. So whatever you are doing a code in any language, it should be reliable. Means whatever we are adding the new feature into the existing code, it should be adapted. Cost effectiveness, with respect to the quality of your software and with respect to the human cost. So in this video I will tell you very basic information for algorithm and the flowchart and the characteristics of good program. So algorithm is nothing but whatever you are applying the stepwise procedure on your problem for solving purpose is nothing but algorithm, and whatever you are writing the algorithm, that algorithm should be converted into the diagrammatical format is nothing but a flowchart. And in a flowchart there consists of various symbol, and every symbol has some specific purpose. And then we then characteristics of good program. So this is some basic characteristics of good program. So while doing any program, first you have to write algorithm and you have to draw a flowchart. Then you go for the doing a program in any language. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.